we're getting to see that a lot of these beaten down names in the past couple of weeks that we have seen, especially from the capex side, from the stocks like BHEL, L&T, even stocks like ABB India and Siemens, they are surging in trade right now. What we are seeing is that a bit of a cool off that we have witnessed in the dollar index is giving some momentum to all these metal counters as well. Stock in focus are Hindalco as well as Vedanta. But what should be your strategy amidst this particular market, and should you participate in the rebound that we are witnessing right now? That's the key question we're going to be putting to Dhwani Patel, who is the founder of Finversify. Hi Dhwani, good to be speaking with you. Very good afternoon, and it's been a good afternoon for the markets as well. So help us with your take that where are we headed, and the rally that we are witnessing today. Are we done for the day, or some more legs to this particular move?
Good afternoon, Shrishti. Definitely today has been a breather session for the index over here, given yesterday's gap down opening. Today we are trading on the higher levels as comparatively to the same. In fact, on the intraday structure as well, in yesterday's session also, we closed positive on the higher side as compared to the opening that we had. So yes, definitely the index is looking up at a rebound over here, though the resistance on the higher side in the index can be seen clearly over here at 23,630 levels. Having crossed those on the higher side will lead to a further rally where 24,000 would be an easy target after the same, but 23,630 remains still as a resistance over here, which we also tested on the budget day as the highs for the day. But then in today's session also, that one is same facing resistance. On the lower side, though the support levels have definitely shifted on the higher side, the support level now lies around 23,300 levels. So yes, sector specific churning is what we are seeing over here, and sector specific buying or stock specific buying is the strategy that one should have.
When you say stock specific strategy, what stocks are you liking amid a market like this?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm eyeing up at two counters over here right now. The first one that I have on my radar is going to be a Cyient. Cyient, if you take a look at it, after the beaten down numbers that we have seen on this one from 1600 levels, the stock made a bottom, and from the current level, we are seeing an upsurge coming in from this one. Target of 1550 is what I'm looking up at, with the stop loss of 1407. And the second counter that I'm looking up, I'm preferring to go a little defensive given the volatility. I'm picking up Aurobindo Pharma over here. In the pharma sector overall, we are seeing a buying action coming in today's session. Oro Pharma over here on the higher side is looking good for a target of 1210 to 1250 levels, and on the lower side 1150 is a stop loss that is one has to maintain here.
All right, those are the calls coming in from Dhwani. But Dhwani, the kind of rebound that we are seeing in some of these stocks in the category for ABB India per se, Siemens, even BHEL, they are having a good day today. Should one participate in this rebound that we are witnessing, or stay away given the weakness that we have seen of late?
Yeah, absolutely, Shrishti. For now, these counters are definitely seeing a certain rebound coming in over here, and especially the counter of ABB looks lucrative to me for fresh entries over here, given that the stock has tested its support level at 5,200 levels. If you look up at the daily structure over here, the same levels were somewhere tested in February early in 2024, and this year also the same levels have been tested now. So short-term trade over here on ABB can be taken up on the higher side. 6,100 is what one should be looking up at, and a stop loss that one needs to maintain on the lower side is going to be of 1515.
Okay, so those are the levels to watch out for in ABB India. But on that note, Dhwani, we'll let you go. Thanks so much for taking the time out and speaking to us this afternoon.